In front of me is REALME 8, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on this device. So first of all, you need to open the settings, then find and select security, and locate unknown source installations. And here you can smoothly manage installation of apps from unknown sources. Just give it a sec. And now by using this switcher, you can smoothly allow particular source. So as you can see, apps from external sources are not verified, so just be aware of this fact. But if you click on allow, it will be possible to install another apps via those sources, the marked ones. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.